videos. Like it's how do you maintain that consistency and how do you maintain such kind of consistency of posting videos? So many friends actually started doing their job. Few
Yeah.
of us doing our higher studies and all. But one thing I found out that like two or three friends also I am having. So sometimes also we are doing group studies. That's very effective. I think that started from that school journey and it's should not be there when I will get read out of it. But really slowly when I was in class 10, I started actually getting some actually interest in mathematics, right? So that point of time I started doing mathematics, and once you are actually understanding the mathematics, then you can do it by your own. So no need to mug up that I used to do. Hi, how are you also?
Hello, I'm doing great. How are you?
Also I am doing also fine. Yes.
That's good to hear.
Yes. Okay. So I think, please, can you give your short introduction so that we can further proceed with our conversation?
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Arundhati Roktima. I'm 13 years old. I live in the city of Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh. And my hobbies are singing, playing the keyboard or the piano, and also reading. I love reading.
Wow, that's great. Because as you mentioned the word reading, so it's very tough for me, but you are doing this, that's really phenomenal. So you are talking about the reading that is apart from your study book, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the best part you are doing. So that's very good, I can say.
Can you give your introduction?
Obviously, why not? So yes, my name is Raj, and I'm having a small YouTube channel called as Think Raj. And if I talk about my background, so I am coming from commerce background. So yeah, this is my short introduction, and I'm from West Bengal.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So I think right now I am having a one topic for discussion. So should we further proceed with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. As you know that you are quite young and you are so talented. I have seen many of your videos. The way you are talking with so many tutors, that's phenomenal. And the way you actually communicate, that's really amazing. So I want to ask you that the way you are doing such kind of things, your friends, like those friends who are actually studying with you in your school, they are also doing the same things, or they are also good in communication, or just only you are doing good?
I think that we all are good at English, like the English theory, but I feel like my communication skills are a little better, like only just like a tiny bit, little better than them.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And keep one working. That's definitely. And you are improving so nicely. That's at a so young age. That's very the matter of appreciation, I can say. So I would have a question that I want to ask you that as you are living in your school life, so how are you feeling about your school life? And it is what it means. I'm just saying that you can say that it is the moment of enjoyable for you, or you are just feeling that no, when my college life will come, that's good, or just what is the your school life memories and how are you actually enjoying all these things?
Okay, so I feel like my school life is going on great. School life is a really interesting and an amazing phase of a student's life. And I feel like when we grow up and go to college, I feel like it would be, there would be a little bit of tension of our future, of our jobs and everything. So I feel like now I'm having a really nice and easygoing life with my school. So it's going on great. It's a great phase of your life.
Okay, so as you are mentioning that you are feeling that it is going great, right? But you know, the fact is when actually I was in my school, so I was keep on thinking that when I will get college life where I will not have so many limitations and all, where I will not have the limitation of doing classes at the scheduled time. I'll be going at as per my convenience and all these things. But when I grown up and I actually went to college and all, then actually what we think the reality is different, right? So
Yeah.
that kind of also I found out. But really when I still recall those days of schooling, so it was fantastic. I could say that yes, I enjoyed a lot during my college days. So many friends we can make. And also I think you are in class 8, right, as you mentioned?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I think in your class 9, 10th, you will make so many friends and you will have so much discussions. That's really very good, I think. So I
Yeah.
think do you not feel that such kind of limitations on you, you have to just go to on a schedule basis, you have to do studies. That's are you enjoying or you are just feeling something not such.
I feel like I'm enjoying it to my fullest because I feel like right now we don't really have any as if pressure you can say because we don't have to make our livelihood and worry about our future right now because when we grow up and go to 11th and 12th then there is a lot more pressure but now it's just very cool and laid back you can meet your friends and just enjoy your life. It's a great time, I would say, for me at least.
Okay. Yes, yes, definitely. It's true that if you are finding it that way, that yes, it's the time where we can enjoy, where we can find friends, we can just do study whatever we have and just get good marks, and that's it, right? Because this is the age of learning a lot of things. This is the age
Yeah.
of observing, and later on, on your stage, you will be choosing some pathways like it could be science, it could be commerce, or maybe arts, whatever it is. So you'll be doing, and on the basis of your analyzation that you made, that in which subject you good or which subject you bad, or on the basis of that you will be selecting. So I have another question, that is like which subject do you mostly like?
So I'm really fond of social science and sociology. I love history and geography.
Okay, social science and social science. So what kind of things are contained in social science? I am really very curious to know.
Okay, so in grade 8, we only have three parts of social science that is history, civics, and geography. But in ninth, we have economics as well and also disaster management.
Okay, disaster management also you are having.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's, what kind of things are there? Like how to stop a disaster or how to manage after post disaster kind of things, I
I
think.
think there are a lot of things in that. As you said, also how to manage after a disaster, post disaster, and also how we can predict disasters and when they are going to occur, and all these ways to save and be safe from the disasters and everything, and how the government works to protect the victims of the disaster.
Exactly. Okay, okay. These are the things that are there, right? So I think
Yeah,
they are giving you the brief understanding about all these things, how it
yeah,
works, and
mhm,
like a when it is applicable or something like that. I think that's kind of things are there, right?
yeah.
Okay, that's good also. Yes. So you can also ask me any questions. So I was keep on asking you many questions also.
Yeah, okay. So I have this question that during your school life, maybe in high school, so how did you see studies at? Did you see it as very stressful or very calm, or what was your opinions towards studies?
Okay, so definitely, according to me, when I was in class 8 or 9, like you, that point of time, I found it very difficult for me. I found it like a, oh my God, it should not be there. When I will get read out of it, but really slowly, when I was in class 10, I started actually getting some actually interest in mathematics, right? So that point of time, I started doing mathematics, and one teacher also helped me a lot during those days when he actually said me that if you are actually understanding the mathematics, then you can do it by your own. So no need to mug up. That I used to do these things, to be honest with you. I used to mug up the maths and all, but after that, that kind of things helped me to take commerce, and then I found accountancy and costing subject and taxation very well. And really, I am very much fond of doing this, and right now also I'm studying in that field where just I'm having subjects like taxation, subjects like finance, subjects like economics also I am having. So if I just recall those days, I think class 10th was the, I think the point where I understood all these things, that yes, you need to understand, then you need to actually apply this. And when I was in class 11, so I got a lot of friends, they helped me a lot, and we used to study together as a group study, you can say. So I think 5 or 6 friends we used to come, and before examination we sit and we used to just study together so that we can grab the concept and we can actually make understand each other. And this way also nowadays, that as we are growing, so many friends are left, so many friends actually started doing their job, few
Yeah.
of us doing our higher studies and all. But one thing I found out, that like 2 or 3 friends also I am having, so sometimes also we are doing group studies. That's very effective. I think that started from that school journey, and it's still going on also. And this kind of things I'm really finding very useful, I can say, group study.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, okay, yes. So also, are you not doing any group studies with your friends?
No, actually, I'm not really fond of group studies. My friends have asked me that if I wanted to join their groups for these study sessions, but I declined that offer. I'm not really fond of studying in a group. I feel like when I'm alone with my peaceful mindset, I can study and grasp the concepts in a better way.
Okay. Obviously. Actually, we are human beings, right? So we are having certain abilities to do that. According to us, we are actually trying to do something. So
Yeah.
definitely, person to
Mm.
person having different conception and all. So
Yeah.
sometimes also having that when we are actually sitting alone and understanding the concept in a better way, it will retain forever. I think that's kind of things also true. That I also really believe that if you study something with all of your from your heart, then definitely it's going to last forever, I can say.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Yes. Yeah. And this kind of things also happens that as you mentioned also. So I think also that like in schooling days also we had sports and all, like we used to
Yeah.
play games and all. So also I think are you also participating in sports and all?
I like to play sports, but I don't really participate in competitions. I just play it during the physical education periods, and that's it.
Okay. That's kind of things you are doing, right? So that's good. That's good. Yes. And one another question that I'm having that is like you are so young, but still you are running a wonderful YouTube channel where you are posting videos. Like it's how do you maintain that consistency and how do you maintain such kind of consistency of posting videos? Since so long you have been posting videos, I have seen. So how do you maintain that?
Okay, so I have this time schedule sort of thing that on Saturdays and Sundays on weekends I just give 1 to 2 hours for each day, and then I just shoot videos and also edit them, and I just schedule them on YouTube. So I just do that on the 2 days, and then I'm free for the rest of the weeks. I just schedule it for the following day. So that's it. I just work on the weekends because I have a lot of time then, and then for the whole week, the work days, I don't really pay much attention to that.
Okay, yes. Weekends are really, very much those days where we do not have so much stress as someone who are working, someone who are doing higher studies and all. For them as well as also, they find it very amazing when they are actually in the position to actually see when they are waking up and see that it's Sunday. Oh my God, it's amazing. We don't have the pressure of going somewhere, taking classes, and doing our jobs. Yes, that's amazing. But when it comes to Monday, oh my God, that kind of things, obviously,
Mm.
things. Yeah. Do you also feel like that? That Monday also?
Yeah, Monday is a really awful day because after Saturdays and Sundays, you're very relaxed and you are sort of a little lazy because you have rested for the whole 2 days, and now um,
Yeah. Like,
okay. So on Saturdays and Sundays, you have rested, and now we don't really want to wake up again on Monday to go back to work and back to school. So it's quite annoying. Monday is not a good day.
also, you are also feeling like that, right?
Yeah.
So, yes. And though, and like when we are started actually working on like a weeks means Sunday, Monday is coming, then Tuesday, then from Wednesday it is okay. I think from Wednesday it is okay. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday is also the expectation is also there, right? So these kind of things are really very well, I can say.
Hmm. So what is
Yeah.
your favorite day of the week?
Oh my God, favorite day. I think it is all about you can say Saturday because Saturday I'm really like a very favorite day because in Saturday night I especially watch football matches and because of that Sunday I'm not having any pressure of waking up early. So Saturday
Yeah.
night I'm just really because I am just feeling very much enjoyable because I think that yes Sunday is coming. That's why Saturday is very
Yeah.
amazing day I can
Hmm.
say. Yeah.
Even I love Saturdays, but I feel like I love Tuesdays more than Saturdays. Because on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday, I have some online classes to attend. But on Tuesdays, I don't have any classes, so I'm just very relaxed that day. So I love Tuesdays and also Saturdays because it's just a full day where you can rest and do nothing.
Yes, yes, yes. I think yeah. I think for one of friend of mine was also telling that I am having a good day in Wednesday because Wednesday I'm not having any online classes and other stuffs. I thought that Wednesday in between the week in between the weekdays you are talking about that Wednesday is your favorite day. That time I asked him that why it is the reason behind that. Actually, he said me that actually Sunday everyone is finding very useful. Sunday everyone is finding for going somewhere traveling, so I want some peaceful space. I want because in Wednesday, if you go somewhere, so you'll find that no people are going because everyone is working right now, right? So I think that friend chosen that yes, Wednesday is good, and he has not taken any classes on Wednesday. That's why he was telling that yes, that's good and relaxing day. I'm going to just relax, just talk with another people. If he's like okay, I think that kind of things is there.
Hmm. Yeah.
So many things. So yeah. So as you know that you are just working on your English speaking. So do you think that without speaking it is possible to speak English?
I don't think so because if you just know the grammar and the sentence structure and everything, you just know the theory, then it is not really possible to have to know spoken English because while you're speaking, you need to understand and also you need to work with your mind and just think quickly of what to say when the person asks you something. So you need to practice spoken English. Then only you will become a fluent speaker. So that is my opinion. What do you think?
Obviously, I also think the same way because the point is of when it comes to English speaking, that means the word we are using that is speaking, right? So speaking means you have to open your mouth, you have to talk,
Yeah,
you have to make a lot of friends while talking with someone. So I think these are the best ways to do that because I think writing portion is different from the speaking portion where you have to consciously put your efforts for actually talking with someone, and that's going to help you. I think that's also
yeah.
same opinion is coming from my side as well as also you can say
That's great.
yes. Yeah, and just one last question I'm having that is just many times you have talked with so many tutors, so how was your experience with tutors? Like first time when you talked it was like so much nervousness was there or something, or what was your first experience with tutor I'm talking about?
Okay, so I have had many sessions with tutors, and earlier in my previous days, I was very nervous and shy to speak. I mean, I did not really speak properly. I used to reply in one or two words, and yeah, I was very nervous back then. But now I feel like I have improved a lot in my confidence and also my spoken skills, and that is a great improvement.
Yes, I think it comes by the way of talking with someone. So when you talk, when you actually interact with a person who is having great knowledge, I think those teachers are having great knowledge. Like on Clapingo, on like a Cambly is also they are practicing. They are giving the surveys to other people that how you can communicate with each other without
Yeah.
any fear because they are so friendly. I've seen videos that they are so friendly. I think that makes them different. That makes that as a trainer different way how they are actually making other people understand and making other people in a comfortable position that you can talk and you can understand the situation and you can actually try no matter whether which position you are. If you are trying, that's good, I can say.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was a really nice session. I loved to talk to you.
Thank you for that. It's my pleasure that you came and you actually talked with me. So it's nice, also, I can say. Yes, I found it also useful for myself. I learned so many things from your side because you are quite young and doing amazing things. That's the good lesson for us so that we can also improve and also doing all these things, activities that we are doing.
Yeah,
Yes.
it was an
Okay.
amazing session.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.